Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to know about estimation or rounding of numbers. So what is the meaning of estimation? Sometimes we have to buy like some electronic items. So we are going to ask the other people what will be the estimation or what will be the amount. May not tell the exact amount, but somehow very nearer to that they will tell. That is only is called as the estimation. Okay, so here now we are going to learn about the rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. How to do this? Rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. So you can see here 1, 2, 4, 2. These are the numbers. When we are going to round off to the nearest tens, we have to see the digit in the ones place. The digit in the ones place is 2. So this 2 is less than 5. So 2 is less than 5. So we will round off the digit to 0, and this digit in the tens place it will be the same, and we are going to write this digit as 1240, that is 1240. Similarly, this second one 21,485, here also we are going to see the digit in the ones place and it is equal to 5, and if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then we are going to round off this one place as 0 only, but the one number which is in tens place we are going to add plus 1 for that. That means it becomes, this 8 will become 9, so it becomes 21,490. So here one more 3458. So in the ones place the digit is 8, so which is greater than 5. So as usual we have to round off this digit to in the ones place to 0, and the one digit which is in the tens place we are going to add plus 1 for that, and it becomes the next digit, that is after 5 the next digit is 6. So we are going to write down like this 3460. This is how we have to find for the now rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens. Now we will see rounding of numbers to the nearest hundreds. How to do this? So this is, see the first sum 7424. Here we have to see the digit in the tens place. Okay, to round off the numbers to the nearest hundreds, we have to see the digit in the tens place. So in digit in the tens place is 2 here. So 2 is less than 5. So we are going to round off this 2 to 0. That is from tens and ones place we are going to round off the digit as 0. And this digit will be the in the hundreds place it will be the same. So it is 7400. So the second sum 25339. Here in the tens place the digit is 3. So 3 is again it is less than 5. So we are going to round off these two numbers, that is in tens and ones place we are going to round off to 0. And this digit is hundreds place digit, it will be the same, that is 25300. 4572 the next one. So here in the tens place the digit is 7, which is greater than 5. So greater than 5, that means as usual we are going to round off this tens and ones place digit to 0, and this digit which is in hundreds place it will be added plus 1, so it becomes 4600. Now next is rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands. Rounding off numbers to the nearest thousands. How to do this? 6248 is there. So here in this we have to see the digit which is in hundreds place. So here the digit in the hundreds place is 2, that is less than 5. So therefore hundreds, tens and ones place digit will be rounded off to 0. This digit which is in the thousand it will remain the same, so it is 6000. Similarly the next one 6498. Here again we have to see the digit in the hundreds place. So here it is 4, which is less than 5. So therefore we have to round off this hundreds, tens and ones place digit to 0, and the digit which is in thousands place it will be the same, so it is 6000. Here 8631. Here in the hundreds place the digit is 6. so which is greater than 5. So therefore now the digit in the hundreds place, tens place and ones place will be rounded off to 0, but the digit in the thousands place, it will be given plus 1. Plus 1 will be added to this 8, so that it becomes 9. So the answer will be 9000. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.